Hello, I'm Rashmi Kusarkar. Today I'm going to explain about the Java iterator. So let's see one by one details about the Java iterator. So the Java iterator in Java are used in a collection framework to relative elements one by one. It is a universal iterator as we can apply it any collection object. So by using the iterator we can perform both read and remove operation. So it is an improved version of the additional functionality of removing an element. Then iterator must be used whenever we want any element in all collection framework implemented interface like a set, list, queue, dequeue, and all implemented classes of map interface. Then iterator is only a cursor available for entire collection framework. So the iterator object can be created by calling the iterator method. So the iterator method present in a collection interface. We see about the methods of iterator interface in Java. So the iterator interface defines three methods. So first one is the has next method. So in has next methods it returns the true if the iterator has more element. Then next is the the next method is the next method. So in next method it returns the next element in the iterator and it throws the no such element exception if no more element is present. The next method is the remove method. So by using remove method, the remove method is the next element in the iteration. So this method called only the per call to next method. So the another method is the another we discuss about the unsupported operation of exception. So in this exception, if the reminder if we remove the operation is not supported by this iterator, so for that we use the unsupported operation exception. Then another one is the illegal state exception. So if the next method has not been called or removed, the method has been already been called after the last call next method. So this all information about the iterator. Thank you.